what's up? It's Amy from the Olifamily, and today I was packing and I was like, it will be a great idea to show you what I have in my carry-on slash travel bag, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Let's start with the basics. First, I got a water bottle because I feel like it saves money, because in the airports, plastic water bottles are really expensive and it was a lot of money. So this is like a little hack because you get to save money and all that stuff. So next is my backpack. I'm not gonna explain how old this is. I just choose it for like traveling because like someday I'm gonna get it a new one, but like this one's mine now. And then I have hand sanitizers because germs are all over the place, and I'm like, no. I got my phone, my precious phone, fuzzy socks because I love them, and then they're like, it gets cold in the plane and my feet get cold, so I'm like, my computer, just in case I need to download photos and like to edit YouTube videos, to check my emails, a notebook just in case I get an idea of a YouTube video and I could just write it down, and that'll be an adapter because in some countries there's like different adapter things, so I just keep this handy. Next is my tech bag. I have my computer charger, a car charger where you plug it in and then it charges 2 phones, and that's great. A case that is fully charged, and when it runs out of battery I could just plug it in. My Samsung charger that I could just charge this. Next is a selfie stick, just in case I want to take a picture with my family and that stuff. A phone charger, which I keep it in this binder clip because it keeps it from getting tangled. My beautiful 2 portable chargers. You just plug your charger in and then charge it. Portable charger. Cubes to charge my phone. Samsung charger, but it lights up in the dark. Next is like, the one has Apple charger, iPad charger, and next is a Samsung charger. Here is my jacket. I just open this and I just do like that, and then it opens. My pillow neck, I just take it out and inflate it, and then it turns into a pillow neck. An extra bag just in case I want to put something in there, or I buy something and I just put it in there. For my snacks, I have Airheads and granola bars. Instead of a blanket, I just undo this, and then I put it around me, and it's like a jacket. There's an extra pair of clothes because once I was in the plane and this girl spilled Coke all over herself, and she didn't have an extra pair, so I was like, oh, I need this pair. So here it is, my little Victoria's Secret brush set. It's travel size, and here you go. You just open it, and it's a mirror and a brush set. Next is my makeup bag. You might think it's small, but it's actually really good. I keep my makeup in there and then my little pills. So I'm gonna show you what I have in there. I have my eyelash curler just in case like I want extra touch. This one is really good because look, if I could open it. It's like a little brush set just in case I forgot my brush, and then a little mirror. My chapstick. My lips get very dry on the plane, so I just put this on and I'm pushing. My deodorant, my lip gloss, and I saw this and I was like, I need that. So it has several colors, and then my e.l.f. mascara slash eyebrow thing. You just put this on and then it clears your mascara and eyebrows. Next, oh my god, next is this lip gloss that you put it on and it has glitter in it, so like when you put it on, you have glitter in your lips. My mascara, I just put this on before I land and I look good. My ponytail bag, because I always lose ponytails, which I just need an extra pair. My perfume, I just put this on and then I smell good. Next is just in case my sisters like get acne and they want to pop their pimple, I just carry this with me and they can use it and it's overnight. Now it's the good stuff. I always get sick on the plane, so I always bring an extra pack of tissues. Next is the frizzy. When I get off the plane, I have frizzy hair, so I just put these on. I just do like that, and it takes off the frizzy hair, and your hair will have scent to it. These are lady wipes, blobbing wipes, because like I always get oily nose, so I just put these and wipe them down, and then it takes all the oil out. Some nail polish remover and a nail file. My toothpaste and my toothbrush, I just brush my teeth before I land and I'm great. Some vitamin C, I just take these just in case I feel sick or I think I have a cold. Alcohol and some Band-Aids just in case one of my sisters or me gets hurt, and these are pills just in case I get a headache or one of my sisters gets a headache and I give them to them, and they're great. My tie thing, I just put these on just in case I get a stain, and then I just press the marker and then it takes off my stain. Flosses, just in case I have something in my teeth. Cough drops, just in case I get a sore throat. Some stain relief and some bigger Band-Aids just in case me or my sisters get hurt. Hey guys, so that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Be a part of the family. Come join the family. And yeah, see you next time. Bye!